It does not take long. लगता है शुरू में कि बहुत complicated होगा, but it's not that difficult. So the question is telling me that this is the polynomial pz, the complex number -1 plus iota is denoted by u, showing all your working verify that u is a root of the equation. So how can we do that? We can simply plug it in. And in isolation, आप इसका पहले square कर लें. What is the square? Square के क्या मतलब होता है? Multiplying the same thing by itself. करके बताओ क्या आ रहा है square? -2 तो I square की जगह I can write -2 iota. Power 4 का मतलब क्या होता है? The square multiplies by itself, right? So when the square multiplies by itself, -2 iota into -2 iota is 4 iota square, which is -4. जहां पे सिर्फ z डालना है वहां पे you plug in z. You simplify and eventually you'll see that 0 becomes equals to 0. So that shows that u is the root of the equation. Is this clear? Find the other three roots of the equation. पहले बताओ, in the equation, do you see any iota, any imaginary part? Equation में कहीं imaginary part नजर आ रहा है? नहीं. Very good. So that means one of the roots will be the complex conjugate for this one. एक इसका pair होगा. तो दूसरी root will be -1 minus iota. Is that right? अब I can either make a quadratic factor or I can say ये एक factor हो गया मेरा. रूट से फैक्टर निकाल रहा हूं मैं, सही है ना? z plus 1 minus iota will be one factor and z plus 1 plus iota will be another factor. If I have these two factors and the power is 4, there will be another quadratic factor, which I am writing as az square plus bz plus c. Three-term quadratic, right? अगर if one of the terms do not exist तो automatically 0 आ जाएगी इसकी वैल्यू. पॉलिनोमियल हो गया. तो है ही पॉलिनोमियल. द क्वेश्चन इज अबाउट पॉलिनोमियल. बिल्कुल बिल्कुल पॉलिनोमियल विद कॉम्प्लेक्स रूट. सो व्हाट, यू कैन सिंपली मल्टीप्लाई दिस. इसकी मल्टीप्लिकेशन में देखो, दिस इज a minus b and this is a plus b. When you multiply you get a square minus b square. When you simplify, this is the quadratic factor that you get from two complex factors. Now after this, it's your choice. You either expand and compare the coefficients, or you can divide this polynomial by this quadratic factor and find the other quadratic factor through long division. करके निकालो. It's your choice. Let's see. Now, either through long division or via comparing the coefficients, you need to figure out the other quadratic factor. यही आ रहा है a1 आ रहा है, c5 आ रहा है, b के लिए क्या क्या लिया जरा ये बताओ. You are doing comparing the coefficients. Z square लिया, क्या लिया? Z लिया, Z cube लिया, क्या लिया? Which coefficient are you comparing for b? Z square compare करो. Z square कैसे कैसे आ सकता है? CZ square डिसाइड कर लो किसको. सही है ना? So you get b as -2, c5 and a as 1, which means this is your other quadratic factor. Now you had to not only find the quadratic factor, you had to find the root. That means इसको भी equals to 0 करेंगे and we will solve this as well. And these are the other two roots that I get. So total 4 roots मेरे पास आ गई. All 4 of them are complex. होता है.